it's so good to see you. I'm back in the kitchen here and I'm going to show you how to make some orange juice. So first of all, make sure your hands are clean. Did you watch our hand washing lesson earlier? My hands are already clean and I have my apron on, so I am ready to go. Now remember, we practiced carrying our tray with two hands. It's a little bit heavy, but with practice you can do it. Okay, we're going to start by smelling the oranges. Now, you see I've already cut my orange in half, and it has such a nice smell. You can have an adult help you cut the orange in half. Okay, and that's how we're going to start with the oranges already cut. We're going to make a little bit of space here, and this is my juicer. Okay, this is what I'm going to use to help me make the juice. So you take a piece of your orange that's already cut and you put it right on top of this part of the juicer here, and you're going to twist it side to side, twisting. Wow. And you can, when you're doing this, you can kind of feel the orange going down and all of the inside part getting squished. Whoa, look at that. Where did my orange go? Let's find out. Do you see my juice? There's a little bit of juice in there. So if we keep going, the more oranges we squeeze on top like this, the more juice we will have. Now when you're done with your orange peel, because that's what's going to be left after you have gotten all the juice out of it, remember to put it in your bowl, and if you have a compost, this is perfect to go into your compost. Okay, and now you can see we've got a little bit more juice in there. Wow, it's going to taste so good. So I'm going to do one more, but you can do as many as you like. Squish it down there. This is so good for your hand strength. There's my yummy orange juice. So now I'm going to take this part of my container and see it has a handy little spout. And I'm going to pour it right into my little pitcher like that. And remember, we practiced carrying a pitcher with two fingers like this when we did our watering of the plants exercise. So when you're done that, I would suggest that you go to the sink and wash your hands again. And then you can practice carrying your pitcher with two strong hands to the area where you're going to have your snack or your little break and then have your orange juice. Make sure you put your waste into the compost if you have one, and wash all your dishes up. And one thing I like to do with my orange juice is add a little bit of water and maybe some honey. And that makes a nice, delicious little treat. Okay, friends, thanks so much.